Hi guys, and it's Mia here on Kids Cooking with Mia. And today we are making easy peasy little muffins, but they're carrot and chocolate muffins. Well, they are actually kind of healthy for you because there isn't any sugar. So I'm just finishing putting these into my tray, and then you can choose any color you want. And see what I've done, I've done different colors. So the ingredients that you need are 1 cup of applesauce, half a cup of honey and 1 egg, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And you need to melt the butter. And the last bit that you need for the first part is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now's the fun part, when you get to put all of this in a bowl. Let's go. So I've put the teaspoon of vanilla extract in. Now let's go mix it. Yay! Once we've mixed the other ingredients together, and now we need to put in some wholemeal flour. And you need 1.5. Now you need to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And last but not least, a little pinch of salt. And now it's time to get mixing. Mix it all together till it's nice and mixed. Now it's time to put in your carrots. We used 2. Come on, let's go. And also, make sure you put in your chocolate chip. You don't want to miss those out. That's the best part. Now you mix it all together. Whichever one falls out, I'm gonna eat. They're my favorite. Now it's time to put your oven on to 175 degrees. And then start putting your mixture into your things. Make sure you get lots of chocolate chips. Now we put them in these. We need to put them in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm so excited! Let's see if they're done. I think they are. This one, all the chocolate is kind of like melted. See this one? Yeah, they look delicious. They look like the best. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and you give me a great thumbs up. Bye! Those are the best.